Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Passat headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cooled down. Gather a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and your new H7 or H11 bulb, depending on your Passat model. Always wear gloves to protect your hands and avoid touching the new bulb's glass. This preparation saves time and prevents potential issues during the replacement process. Now let's access that bulb. Depending on your Passat, you might need to remove a plastic cover or even the entire headlight assembly. Look for a few bolts, typically 10mm, that hold the unit in place. Once the assembly is loose or the cover is off, you'll see the back of the bulb. Gently twist and pull to disconnect the electrical connector, making sure not to force it. With the old bulb exposed, carefully unclip or twist it to remove it from its housing. Be gentle, as the old bulb might be fragile. Now, take your new bulb. Remember, avoid touching the glass part with your fingers, as oils can cause hot spots and shorten its life. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the housing and gently push or twist it into place until it feels secure. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully reinsert the headlight assembly or replace the access panel, securing all bolts or clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Check both low and high beams to ensure everything functions as it should for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.